Yo, what's up, homies?
Yeah, what's up?
Um, Tonight we're going to look for a lockpick.
You're gonna get some lockpick from who? Which one MC you want to face it right now?
Those anyone know which biker we're walking with?
Mm-hmm. So, I know which MC will stand by tonight. You know some MC. For we get some lockpick.
Get some money first to buy a lockpick.
Alright. How much you need?
Yes. Uh, um, just buy one for $30,000 in MC Da Vinci MC, right?
Alright. You wanna stay here or you wanna come to me to in the road? And I will give you some money.
Yeah, yo, come on, Daxi. Good morning. $30,000. Okay?
Alright. Alright. Come, I will give you some money. How much you need?
Okay, yo, come on, gang. Come on, gang. Yo,
Yo,
what's up, gang?
yo, yo. Oh, kenapa, Bung?
Yo, my name is Leon Wijaya from ESC.
Adiknya si Jack.
Yes, that's right, bro.
Oke. Mau ketemu langsung ke ini,
Um,
Abang.
we're here. No, we're here to walk together to put a lockpick from the Da Vinci MC motorcycle, gang.
Butuh berapa?
Hmm, just one for no.
Kenapa situ stoknya berapa juta ya?
Weh.
John Wick.
Ya betul Jackson. Maaf, kantong berapa?
Jauh kali lah.
12.
Itu bukan anak-anak sini ya, mana-mana.
Oh, bukan.
12, 12.
Oke, 12. Oke.
Iya, masuk aja nggak? Masuk aja nggak?
Dre,
Nggak mau,
payment. Pengen.
Alright, how much?
Banget
Di
nih,
kantong
ini
135.
Kalian lihat performnya gitu aja
How
gimana
much?
rasanya.
apa perform apa tiba-tiba perform?
Dia mau perform itu
Kali ini
mendekat
bukan
Ngomong
perform.
apa ini gak ngerti saya.
How much, man?
30,000.
Bisa pakai bahasa Indonesia saja, gak ngerti saya aduh.
Alright, that's the money.
Makasih.
Thank you ya, thank you ya.
You are welcome bro.
Udah, yes.
anim-anim yang apa tuh mendarat-mendarat kayak gitu.
Senang berbisnis dengan Anda.
Anim kayak gitu.
Ya, senang berbisnis dengan Anda juga, bro.